everyone, welcome back to my channel. So आज की वीडियो is all about look recreation episode 2 and अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो let me tell you कि मैंने already एक episode कर दिया है जिसमें I recreated the look of Kiara Advani from the movie Guilty, and today's look is completely inspired from Bebo, that is Kareena Kapoor, and I had took inspiration from the look of Kareena Kapoor in the movie Jab We Met from the song ये इश्क हाय, जिसमें बिगिनिंग में ही देयर इज अ डायलॉग जो कि बहुत ही फेमस है, बहुत ट्रेंडिंग था टिकटॉक पर, एंड आई ऑल्सो डिड दैट जो आप देखोगे अभी।
जा रही हूँ। कहाँ जा रही है? कहाँ मतलब मैं भाग रही हूँ। तू ऐसा कभी मत करना, ओके? मैं ऐसा कर रही हूँ, सारा सब कुछ प्लान है, तुम्हें बाय बोलने आई हूँ। तू अभी जा रही है ऐसे? अभी अभी? हाँ, तुम कुछ दिन यहाँ रहना आराम से, उसके बाद बॉम्बे चले जाना, ओके? एक सेकेंड, तू यहाँ से भाग रही है और मैं यहाँ रह जाऊँ तो?
So that's the look recreation I'm gonna do today, and it is Kareena's signature makeup look. You will mostly see her in these kind of looks only. So yes, and now without wasting further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'll be using this Wet n Wild का Photo Focus Matte Finishing Setting Spray, and after waiting for 3 to 4 minutes, then I will be using up my foundation, and for it I will be taking up this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128, and I will be putting it up on my face and on my neck, and I will be blending it with the help of a beauty blender, and that too damp. Don't use it dry at all. Now to set up my base, I will be using this purple का Be Your Own BFF compact in the shade beige self care 3, और ये बहुत अच्छा compact है and इसके effects काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, long lasting है, so do check it out and do give it a try. And don't drag your compact, otherwise it will move your foundation, so dab it properly. For my eyebrows, I'll be using this Chameleon Cosmetics के eyebrow pencil, and अगर अभी आपने मेरा eyebrow routine नहीं देखा है, so do check my description box because I will be linking up my eyebrow routine tutorial. So yes, for some great sculpted cheekbones, I'll be using this Blue Heaven Cosmetics का Diamond Blush On in the shade 502, and we all know Kareena Kapoor Khan के naturally lifted cheekbones हैं, so for that I will be doing it up on a different manner. For my blush, I'll be using this Wet n Wild का Pearlescent Pink blush, and since इस पूरे look की requirement काफ़ी rosy skin है, so that is the reason I had picked up this shade, and I will be putting it up on my nose and on my chin, and I will be blending up the whole base with the help of this setting spray in order to make it look more natural. For my काजल, I'll be using this Bella Vostok काजल, and सबसे पहले मैं tight lining करूँगी. आराम से करनी है आपको टाइट लाइनिंग, यू डोंट हैव टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर, अदरवाइज यू कैन हर्ट योर सेल्फ. एंड टाइट लाइनिंग करने के बाद मैं अपनी अपर लिड पे लगाऊंगी काजल को क्लोजर टू माई आई लैशेज, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू मेक दिस लुक बिट स्मोकी. दैट इज द रीजन आई विल बी डूइंग इट अप इन दैट वे. एंड आप देख सकते हो कि मैं अपने अपर आई लिड पे लगा रही हूँ क्लोजर टू माई लैशेज. And you don't have to be so very perfect, you can just make rough lines and then you can smudge it out. And I will be smudging it with the help of a smudger brush, and here I am doing it. And smudge it generously. Take your time and do it very finely. Next up, I'll be using this Wet n Wild की eyeshadow palette in the shade Comfort Zone, and I'll be just using this dark color directly on my crease because I just want a little bit hint of color on my eyelid. That is the reason I'm using only one color, and I will be blending it very generously with the help of eyeshadow brush. Next up, I will be taking up this clean brush and I will be placing some compact on my eyelid to make the whole look more clean and tidy. And I will be blending up the products really well. Next, I'll be using this Chameleon Cosmetics का mascara, and अगर आपने मेरा purple haul देखा होगा तो I'm sure आपको पता होगा कि मेरी new purchase है and I will be reviewing it on my Instagram, that is TMD the Makeup Diaries 2020, because I am doing a series over there which is known as Review Wednesday, where I review every new product, whether it's skincare, hair care, or body care on that day. So do follow me there to know about this product or any other product. Next up, I'll be using this Vigor eyelash curler to lift my eyelashes, and you have to be very cautious when you're using an eyelash curler, otherwise you can hurt yourself. And lastly, I'll be using this Nykaa Cosmetics की lipstick in the shade 11M, and ये बहुत ही beautiful nude color है, and it was perfect as per the requirement of this whole look. And lastly, I'll be adding up my hoops and jacket, and I'll be tying my hair into a ponytail and presenting out Geet from Jab We Met. And yeah,
So that's it for today's video. I hope आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आएगी. Please let me know your comments and suggestions in the comment section below, and do check my description box because I do put something or the other in description box whenever I upload a video. And I will see you guys super soon in my next video on Tuesday. Till then, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, share it with your friends and families, and also follow me on my Instagram account, that is TMD the Makeup Diaries 2020. And I will see you super soon. Bye.